Unraveling the meaning of hunt out, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, hunt out. Understanding such phrases is key to mastering the nuances of English. So let's explore what this phrase means, how it's used, and some examples to clear things up. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English idioms, you're in the right place. Hunt out is a phrasal verb in English. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and a preposition or adverb, which together create a meaning different from the original verb. Hunt out combines hunt, which means to search for something, with out, suggesting a thorough or intensive search. Therefore, hunt out means to search for something diligently and thoroughly, often until it is found. The beauty of hunt out lies in its versatility. It can be used in various contexts. 1. Literal use, when someone is literally searching for something hard to find. For example, she had to hunt out her old college notes from the attic. 2. Figurative use. It can also be used metaphorically, to indicate a figurative search. For example, as a journalist, he's always hunting out the latest news. 3. Colloquial expressions. In everyday speech, it's often used to describe finding something specific, like a good deal or rare item. For example, I hunted out the best prices for our vacation. To give you a better understanding, here are a few examples. 1. Professional context. The team worked tirelessly to hunt out solutions for the software bug. 2. Personal scenario. I spent the whole afternoon hunting out the perfect birthday gift for her. 3. Academic setting. The researchers are hunting out new data to support their hypothesis. While using hunt out, be mindful of these common mistakes. 1. Overuse in formal writing. It's more suited for casual or conversational contexts. 2. Confusing with hunt for, while similar, hunt for is less about the intensive nature of the search. And that's a wrap on hunt out. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the little nuances that make a big difference. We hope this video helped clarify the meaning and usage of hunt out. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to hunt out new phrases and expressions in your language journey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.